We continue the Toxic Workplace series with throwing your teammate under the bus. If you haven't done it, I am almost sure that you know someone who has. So many of us have been in a work environment where you find situations where there's some kind of adversity, there's some kind of trouble, something went wrong, somebody dropped the ball, or whatever else bad that happened, and you get to the point where you're starting to point fingers a little bit, and you maybe work your way around the edges of responsibility. When you see an opportunity to maybe take a teammate, throw the teammate under the bus, you save yourself, but you sacrifice a teammate. Instead of everybody coming together, and instead of looking for who is to blame, maybe we look for how could we have done it better? How can we improve our process? How can we improve our teamwork? How can we improve our efficiency? How can we work better together so that we're not pointing fingers, we're not throwing teammates under the bus, but we're all looking how we can collectively come together to combat this mentality where we throw people under the bus. When we see that first sign of trouble or that first sign of major trouble, we don't want to have our hands dirty on that first sign of trouble or that first sign of major trouble. So we wash our hands with the trouble while at the same time throwing a teammate under the bus. This can help destroy a team atmosphere when you feel like you can't trust the person that's next to you. And if you've played team sports, you understand this concept. Playing as a team, winning and losing as a team is important not only in sports but also in a work environment when you have a team and your team is only as strong as your weakest link. If you're not willing to help your weakest link, as we talked about in another series, other part of the series where we talked about it's not my job, it's everybody's job to collectively pull together, not throw teammates under the bus, but instead work to empower people to make everybody better on the team so that there's really no bus to be thrown under and that you're all feeling good about the fact that you help each other stay from underneath the bus and everybody's moving forward toward a successful shared goal.